Do you want to be able to fix TikTok something went wrong problem? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be very simple. We need to firstly go into our TikTok app and then go into our profile right here. As you can see, now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, which is perfect. So what I'm going to do on this page is to just simply click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here where there's a bunch of like alternatives, but you need to scroll down in here. Scroll down until you can see where it says reports a problem. The reason why you need to be actually taken to this page right here is because in here we're able to contact the TikTok customer support, and they can actually help us to fix this problem. So that is basically why I told you to come to this page. Now the second step is going to be for you to scroll all the way down until you can see where it says submit a report. So click on submit a report, very important that you're actually taken here. And now when you're on this page, then in here we're able to contact the TikTok customer support. So now you need to write like this: I am having issues with getting this specific error on my account. Something went wrong. I need this to be fixed. So basically write like this: I am having issues with getting this specific error on my account. Something went wrong. I need this to be fixed. And then click on submit. What will happen now is that it will take about 24 hours for the TikTok support to see this message that you have sent to them. And then hopefully after this 24 hours, then this hopefully will be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.